Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to reveal the secrets on how to become rich on YouTube. Now, before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss any of our future videos. So, you want to make money on YouTube? Well, you're in luck because we've got the tips and strategies to help you achieve your goal. Let's get started. Find your niche. The first step is to identify your passion and expertise. Choose a niche that you genuinely enjoy and have knowledge about. This will keep you motivated and engaged, and your authenticity will attract a loyal audience. Create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment, such as a camera, microphone, and editing software, to ensure your videos are visually and audibly appealing. Remember, quality content is crucial for attracting viewers and keeping them coming back for more. Optimize your videos. Pay attention to video titles, descriptions, and tags. Research keywords relevant to your content and use them strategically to increase your visibility in search results. Engaging thumbnails can also make a significant difference in attracting clicks. Consistency is key. Upload videos on a regular schedule to keep your audience engaged and build a loyal fan base. Consistency helps you stay on top of YouTube's algorithm and increases your chances of being recommended to new viewers. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. Building a strong relationship with your viewers will not only help you understand their preferences but also increase your chances of monetizing your channel successfully. Monetization options. Once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements, you can start earning money through ads, channel memberships, merchandise sales, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Explore these options and choose the ones that align with your content and audience. Diversify your income streams. Don't solely rely on YouTube for income. Consider branching out into other platforms, such as Patreon, Twitch, or creating your own products. Diversifying your income sources will provide stability and additional opportunities. And there you have it. These are the essential steps to becoming rich on YouTube. However, keep in mind that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, perseverance, and continuous improvement. So, stay committed, keep creating amazing content, and watch your channel grow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay creative, and stay on the path to success. Good luck.